Hello everyone, welcome to Scintillating Creation. In this tutorial I am showing you how to make wire wrap toggle clasp. It is very simple and classic. I love these because it gives some handmade touch to your bracelet. So let's go ahead and jump right in. What tools and materials we are having for this project? We need a standard cutter, a round nose plier, a chain nose plier, and I am having to give some round shape, I am having the tile cutter and nylon plier. And of course we need inch tape or ruler if you are having. We will start with the T-shaped toggle clasp first instead of round shape. It is much more easier to make this, and we need the appropriate diameter which is based on T-shaped toggle clasp. To start with, we need 20 gauge wire, and I'm going to cut 3.5 inch. We need nylon plier. We're going to find the center of the wire and bend it. After bending this side, now we will start bending the other side as well in the same manner. After bending this much, from this point we will find the center of the two wires, the crossing of the two wires, this one. Okay, now as we can see, this will be the center of the wire. Now we will start twisting it. Now I will twist this with my plier. I'm taking the second plier to hold at this point and start twisting it. will come like this. Now we are going to form a circle. We are going to form a circle here that we can actually attach the bracelet or your necklace. So we need round nose plier. We will keep our round nose plier in the center of these two wires, and now we are making a I'm going to give some twist with the help of second plier. Let's go ahead with the circle. So for the circle, I'm getting about 3-inch long wire. That's about 7.7 centimeters. Same wire, 20 gauge, round silver coated, dead soft wire. Just take out the round object you're having. If you're having pen, like I'm having the tile cut, I'm putting this cutter in the center of the wire and making a circle, crossing the wire like this. So I'm removing my cutter like this. And the rule is this, that so inside your circle like this. So my circle should be ending up check to go in. Is it coming out? hope you had fun making these toggle clasp. Please subscribe to my channel. You can also see the link below in the description box and visit my Facebook page to purchase some components or jewelry or accessories which I make. Thank you so much.